learning window. We use the words this, that, these and those to tell about naming words that are close to us or far from us. A. We use this to talk about a thing or a person that is close to us and one in number. Examples: this is a blue pen. This is Abhinav. B. We use that to talk about a thing or a person that is far away from us and one in number. Examples: that is the bookshop I was talking about. That is a bed. C. We use these to talk about things or people that are near to us and more than one in number. Examples: these are ripe mangoes. These are Jaya's books. D. We use those to talk about things or people that are far away from us and more than one in number. Examples: those are pine trees. Those are my friends.